Whether you received a motor wheel or just the motor, you'll find a bag of bolts and washers inside. If you don't see them, check under the foam padding. Make sure to remove all the packaging to find them. On the old motor, the axle is slightly thinner at this section. On this new motor, you can see that the axle is thicker. That's the main difference. Because of this, the washers are also different. The old motor used these washers, but the new set comes with one large and one small washer. You must use the new washers to complete the installation. It must be seated firmly inside that slot. If you use the small washer by mistake, it won't fit correctly, and you won't be able to mount it. The washer must slide all the way in. Make sure both washers are pre-installed before mounting. This one is the large washer, and this one is the small washer. Once the washers are on, ensure the brake caliper is removed. Now we can begin the installation. Align it and push it upward. Gently tuck the motor cable inward. Give it a light push. And you can see the motor is now fully seated. The large slot aligns perfectly like this. You can see it clearly here. With the washer installed, there's about a 3 mm gap. That fits securely into the dropout. This side is the same as all other motors. No changes here. The only update is a reinforced thicker axle. But all other dimensions remain the same.